It is a risk-off session today, with safe haven assets catching a bid across the board. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your crypto market briefing for July 16th. Digital assets are never boring. Let us break down what is moving prices today. Here is how the major digital assets are trading today. Bitcoin slipped to $64,788, minus 0.26% on the day. Intraday range was $64,445 to $65,467. Ethereum climbed to $1,920.70, plus 1.65% on the day. Intraday range was $1,863.81 to $1,938.84. Solana slipped to $77.38, minus 0.49% on the day. Intraday range was $77.09 to $78.80. Now let us look at what the macro environment means for crypto. Crypto sentiment is being driven by OPEC cuts 2026 oil demand forecast, raises 2027 outlook amid tensions. Crypto briefing. Digital assets are selling off alongside broader risk assets. When equity markets fall, crypto tends to amplify the move. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Let us give you our near-term analytical view on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $66,084 resistance and $63,493 support as the boundaries of the current range. Remember that crypto remains a high-volatility asset class. Position sizing and risk management are critical, especially around macro events and on-chain data releases. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your crypto briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily digital asset coverage.